To add a drop-down menu in VIX, start by accessing the website through your web browser. Once on the home page, click the Login button and enter your email and password to gain access to your account. The account dashboard can be customized to suit your needs, and you'll find a Design Site button that takes you to the website editor. In the editor, you'll see various options on the left side, including Add Elements, Add Section, Page, Menu, Add Apps, My Business, Media, and CMS. Select Add Elements and then choose Menu to find the section menus, page navigation, and search options. Under Menus, you can explore themed menus, horizontal menus, and vertical menus. To create a drop-down menu, focus on horizontal menus, which can be edited and customized to fit your website's needs. You can manage and make adjustments to the menus on your website, allowing you to create drop-down effects as desired.